Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So the first method is look for channel memberships or super thanks. So let me go onto a Mr. Beast video here. Got to pause that video. Now, if you see this join button or a super thanks under the videos, the channel is more likely monetized. These features are only available to monetize channels. Also during live stream monetization features. So if you see super chat, super stickers or ads running, that's a strong sign the channel is monetized. And now there's another way as well. So this is probably the easiest and quickest way to see if a channel is monetized is just do a Google search. So I'm just going to open up Google here and now type in check YouTube monetization, and basically you can use any one of these top results, but one I like to use is YouTube channel monetization checker by ytlarge.com. This is a pretty cool site to see. So from here, once we're in the site, they're all going to be very similar. Ads are going to pop up and stuff like that, and you just simply paste your URL or channel ID. So I'm just going to use Mr. Beats for example, and now it's click on the search button while it will verify. So I didn't do the capture, so I'm going to restart this page again. All right, put in Mr. Beast. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on search. All right, success. Now it should give me the results. All right, then it'll go load the thing. If we scroll down, you can see the channel here. Then it'll say their name and the channel, Mr. Beast, is monetized. Now we can scroll down, we can see a bit more about the channel info. So you can see the creation date, the videos, advertising status, and stuff like that.